Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to add a page to your Weebly site and then how to link it up into the digital camera blog so that way you can get credit for your assignment. So I'm going to go on to my practice for digital camera. I've created a page to show you how to do things, so I'm just going to click on that. And it's going to come up to this page. So I'm going to build. And my practice for digital camera, how exciting. I'm going to click on pages and I want to add a page, and if you're doing your theme page, you will put the theme's date, so it would be 1/22, or if you're doing the bubbles for your first assignment or any of your in-class assignments, you would do also a standard page and then you would name it bubbles. So I'm going to click on standard page and I'm going to type in bubbles, because that's what we did, and I'm going to hit save. Now here's the most important thing. You want to nest it under in class. So I'm just going to click and drag it so it is nested. If this was its own page, here it is nested, so then when I hover over in class, bubbles will pop up. So I'm going to click on bubbles because I can do that now. And that's what page I'm editing. So then I'm going to go back to build and I'm going to click to add a title, and I'm going to click on bubbles. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add a gallery. The reason you're going to add a gallery and not 2 images is because it's a lot easier to add your photos to. So I'm going to bring my gallery over. I'm going to make sure that this blue line right here is underneath it. And I'm going to click to upload images. It says drag photos here or upload images from your computer. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go into my exports because that's where mine are saved under digital camera, and I'm going to click on both of them. I'm going to hit open. And now both of them are here. Now obviously it's pretty obvious which one my edited image is, but you don't really know. So I'm going to go over here to caption and I'm going to do after. Done. And I'm going to click on this one and hit hit caption, and I'm going to click before. Done. Now there are some settings that I can do. I just want 2 columns, make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to click on the captions and I want it to be in Lightbox and partial thumbnails. But this is really my I don't want to delete that. My whole image isn't showing. It's not a big deal. When you actually go onto your page, which I will show you, it will it'll pop up, and when I click on it, I'll see your whole image. So it's really not that big of a deal right at this moment. Now I'm going to pull down my text, and there are questions in which you need to answer. Those are located on Schoology or on the digital camera webpage. So if I click on menu and I go over here to digital camera and I go to digital camera rubric, your title should be your due date. Put a before and after on your page, and here are the questions on which you need to answer. Obviously bubbles does not need to put what is your theme and the theme number. We don't need to put that in there. Why does it fit your theme? So obviously you want to put why does it fit the assignment, which was bubbles. Right now this is pretty straightforward. In the future it'll be a little more tricky. So I'm going to click here to edit, and I'm going to say I took this photo of the bubble being blown up. Now I'm going to put this bubble on the bubble wand. So I kind of told why I took this image. That's what you will do with your theme as well. Why did you take that image of that for your theme? Pretty self-explanatory there. The next question is, how did you edit your photo? What actions did you use? I first obviously I used different actions than you have available. I used some of my own actions. And then I'm going to say what is the best part of my photo and why is it the best part. Okay, so notice I've used complete sentences in capitalization and punctuation. That's very important. You want to look like you know what you're doing because the whole world sees this. It's not just you. Anybody can look this up and see it. So I am done with this. I'm going to publish it, which is very important. If you want to share it on Twitter or what have you, it's all right. Now I'm going to click on this because it's really important that you click on this. And then go over to your bubbles picture or your theme, which one you're doing, and you are going to copy this URL. Okay, once you've copied that, you're going to go to the digital camera website, and you're going to go to just click on digital camera. You might want to put this in your bookmarks so you can easily get to it because it's an important site. You'll use it multiple times in a week, and then you'll click on the week that you need. And you're going to see theme photos due 122. It's got your stuff in it. Bubble photos got your stuff in it. I'll fix this before you guys get it. And it says, you're next. Click here to enter. So I'm going to click on that. And you're going to paste in your URL right there. And then your caption or title is going to be your name. And you don't need to put in anything. I want you to put your name in here. And then you're going to click from web. Then you're going to click this one. And then you can adjust the square however you want. And then your link has been entered. Click here to turn to the blog or the host. And then it'll be right here. So now you can go in and you can click on everyone's photos, what they've done. You can tell that this will close in 3 days. I'm giving you 3 days to work on this. I will always open it up about Wednesday or so. I usually give you until the next Monday to do it. So that way you get a little buffer time, especially if you're gone on a Friday. So that is how you enter your blog or your page onto the blog, so that way everybody can see it, I can see it, and I can easily grade it.